Every year, 600 million people fall ill and about 500,000 people die because of consuming contaminated food. Food safety has become a critical area of concern because of increasing instances of foodborne outbreaks globally. Singapore is considered as one of the safest countries in the world and a food paradise. Yet, in 2018 alone, there were 5 major instances of foodborne poisoning, leading to multiple hospitalizations and death. This is not just a health issue. Its global economic burden is well over $100 billion. Now, this is because food industries are using a century-old method to detect pathogens, which requires trained professionals and a dedicated lab. But more importantly, it takes 5 to 10 days to get the results. Since most food and beverages have low shelf life, the current industry practice is to ship the product out, relying on good manufacturing practices and in the hope that the product would be safe to consume. This results in people consuming these products even before the microbial testing results are known, which leads to disease outbreaks, product recalls, and even loss of human lives. To ensure that the people are consuming only safe and tested products, rapid detection of pathogens is necessary. But the existing rapid microbial detection methods are relatively faster, but they do not provide the same gold standard limit of detection that conventional methods provide. Thus, these rapid tests are not adopted for microbial testing in food, on account of less than 10%. Now, at BIOPSIN, we are developing a revolutionary biosensor device which would help industries detect pathogens within minutes. And there's more. Our device can detect multiple pathogens in a single test with the same gold standard sensitivity of the conventional lab test. Our solution is also cost-effective and user-friendly, and it does not necessitate any dedicated lab where the test needs to be performed. The user just has to add in the food sample, and all the other steps are automatically carried out by the device. In the end, the user gets quantitative results for the target pathogens. So how are we doing this? We have developed a small microfluidic slide which can trap even a single bacterial cell, and then we analyze those cells with a portable detection. Our technology is a game changer for F&B products. It is the answer to preventing product recalls and disease outbreaks. For the first time, industries and corporations will be able to determine the microbial quality of the products before even shipping them out, and be sure that the consumers are using only safe and tested products. Similarly, government agencies will be able to inspect and determine the microbial quality of the products quickly on the spot and save enormous time, labor, and cost. We have a diverse team with necessary interdisciplinary expertise working towards the product. My co-founder Amit has a decade of research experience working with these government agencies and industries on their microbial safety and detection needs. I'm Sheetal. I have 6 years of research experience in microbial detection and interactions. We have recently received $650,000 in grant from Temasek Foundation to develop our solution for Singapore market. Now, food and beverage is just the beginning. Our solution can easily be customized to microbial testing needs in agriculture, consumer goods, hospital, pharma, water, and all the other sectors wherever microbial testing is necessary. The global microbial detection is $12 billion and is growing at a healthy rate of 11%. However, these numbers, they do not represent the overall picture. They only represent the cost of consumables, and they do not, include the overhead cost, which is at least 4 to 12 times higher. Therefore, actual spending is actually more than $50 billion. The market has responded enthusiastically to BIOPSIN. 12 major F&B and FMCG companies are interested in running pilots with us. We are collaborating with SFA, which is the Food Regulatory Authority in Singapore, and SATS, which is the Chief In-Flight Catering Service Provider for Changi Airport. SFA is impressed by our solution and have proposed to validate our technology from their side. Similarly, SATS has also proposed to validate our technology on their premises, on their cost, and adopt it upon successful validation. They've also offered us to provide all the data collected. So with increasing instances of disease outbreaks and advent of antimicrobial resistance, Quick and gold standard microbial detection is not an option but a necessity. We envision that our tech is going to fundamentally change the way microbial detection is performed today. So if you want to know more about the future of microbial detection, please contact us. We are BIOPSIN. Thank you.